70s, and 80s. And also there is a 63-year-old who does personal training with me, and a 67-year-old. So, baby, you a spring chicken, Miss Edith, baby. Get on in there. Get on in there. And they have an active older adults classes at the community center and at the gyms. And baby, those classes are where those women are stretching. It's hard. So I wanted to share that I made the decision last week after I tested it. I was losing weight and gaining weight and losing weight, but then I just stopped eating potatoes for like 2 days. And then I lost 5 pounds that week. So, or 3 days. So, hey, Oakland, California. I really want to come to Oakland. You know what? I've always wanted to come to Oakland since MC Hammer was from Oakland. So and so yes, Oakland in the house. Oakland in the house. So wonderful. Thanks, Vi. How you doing? Yes, but I wanna wear Iris, I wanna wear a pantsuit or even a dress. So if it's a dress, unless it's a two-piece shirt and skirt, but if it's a dress, then I gotta make a count for my butt, or else the skirt's gonna be higher in the back. It's just crazy. So I was trying to get into some pants because my mom, she likes me to wear pants. I don't hardly wear them, but as I'm losing weight, it makes me more comfortable wearing pants. And I have a three-piece pantsuit over there. So we're just gonna see. And I don't know how much money I have. Hopefully I'll get a customer and then I'll be able to buy some things for my birthday. But if not, it's most important to pay these bills. However, I do have an appointment next week to talk to some companies about partnering. I mean, this is so complicated to understand everything that goes along with partnering and things. At first, you could just connect with companies if they wanted to. Robert, if you want to ask me a question, you have to send me a super chat, and then you can. How far can I walk before I get tired and have to sit down? I mean, I'll answer that because that's not a bad question. So I can walk a lot. I can walk. Really, I can walk anywhere I want to walk. What happens is if I get scared or if I get panicky, if I'm in an environment where I'm not sure, I get scared. Or if I'm sitting somewhere that's too low, then I get uncomfortable. Or if I like, mostly now I have 2 hour exercises, and then I'll go to the Ajax Center for lunch, and then I'll go maybe go by the grocery store or something. Then by the time I get home, or if I go somewhere else, like I went to church on Christmas Eve after doing all that stuff, and I rested less than 30 minutes. And then I even drove to the church. So and then when I was sitting there, I felt terrible. So I can go, but if I get kind of nervous, I might start crying or something, or I might have to pee. It's so many factors. Um, I have been to Houston. All of my family lives in Houston. I love Houston. I've been to Houston many times. Even as a little kid, we went to Houston. So yeah, we love Houston. So oh, Miss Edith, respectable men are always respectable. Every person that's not every person that's born a male isn't a man, honey. So don't let that bother you. There's plenty of nice men out here, honey. Um, so I appreciate. I mean, I don't mind y'all asking me questions, but sometimes I'm gonna make y'all give me a cash app because YouTube really wants my audience to get in the habit of sending me super chat. So I think that's a good thing too, honey. But you know what's cool is I am getting affiliates, so people are buying things when they look at my page. So that's pretty cool. And I learned how to put a background and then stick my body in the picture and say something. So I did about 3 of those today. So I'm like, okay, I'm learning. It's called a green screen. Then you can look in your pictures and pick a picture. So I'm learning. I'm learning. I'm learning. Let me see. I don't know. I may be able to do that here. Let me see.